Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate fox balls. The first thing we're going to do is wash our hands, just make sure that we're clean and all of that. So we're going to be using this brand of chocolate. It's called Collata white chocolate, and I like it because it's white, so it's not yellow or yellowish brown. It's pure white, so that when you mix your color into it, it doesn't change the color of the you're trying to achieve. So if it's kind of like brownish milky, when you add your color into it, it's going to change the color, so it might not give you the exact shade they are looking for. So I recommend that you use this. It's a bit hard to maneuver sometimes, but once we had that problem, I would show you how to troubleshoot and have like a seamless flow. They do sell this fox balls in different colors, but I really don't like using them because sometimes the colors of the balls doesn't work with the shades of the color of my cake. So I like to use my own color, so that way I have full control of the shade, the right shade of color. So what we're just going to do, we've just decided to melt that over a double boiler. So you put the bowl on top of the pot or a pan and make sure that the bowl is not touching the water of inside the pan, and then you just keep stirring until it melts like so. So we're going to go ahead now to add some color. All of the colors that I use to mix chocolate always has to be with colormill, because I believe this is the only color or one of the best colors that you can use to mix your chocolates, and because it's oil based, so it doesn't stiffen, or it's just the best one. Yeah. So this has been just mixing, just trying to get the right shade. And once you're mixing, it's always best to go in little amounts, so that way you have full control of the shade you're trying to go for. You don't want to put too much and then you have to add more chocolate, and then you're wasting the color itself, because they're very expensive. So right now the chocolate has stiffened up because we're stirring it too much, and all you have to do is basically just get a bowl, put some hot water in there, not piping hot but not warm either, just hot water, right? And then you put the chocolate in the bowl of hot water, and then you just stir and stir and stir, and then it would slightly start to loosen up like so, till you get the right consistency. So once you get the right consistency, we're going to start putting the color on the balls. You really want to work fast, because again, the chocolate really hardens. The more you tamper with the chocolate, the easier it's likely to stiffen up. So you want to work really fast. That's why it's best to have your balls and everything ready. Before we started the video, I've actually inserted the wire into the balls properly, just to make sure that I don't have to do that when I want to I don't have to do that when I want to put the chocolate on the balls. So make sure that you insert the wire into the balls before you start, so that you don't leave the chocolate unattended to for a long period of time. And so basically that's how you achieve fox chocolate balls. And I did different colors, and I'm going to do like a magic trick right now. So once you get that, you take a small amount of chocolate again, cut it into smaller pieces, melt it over boiling water, and then ta-da! I'm showing you a magic trick of just doing all the other colors that I needed for my fox chocolate balls. I didn't want to show all of these balls because it's a lot and it's going to take so much time. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you.